In a hidden corner of a magical garden hung a small family of apples. But they were not happy apples. They felt small, unseen, and terribly alone.
We feel so alone.
But you are never truly alone, little ones. The garden is full of friends.
Seeing their sadness, the garden's residents knew they had to do something. One by one, they came to share their light.
He's right! Hello there! My name is BABYA.
And we are the bee family. We love this garden.
And I'm Droplin. I'm here to make everything sparkle. We're not alone anymore.
And so the apples learned that even in a big garden, no one is ever truly alone. For friendship is the magic that helps every heart to shine.